Gedige is an ancient stone temple located near Matle in Sri Lanka, believed to have been built between the 8th and 10th centuries. It is considered to have originally stood at the geographical center of Sri Lanka and is recognized as a unique monument combining both Buddhist and Hindu architectural styles. Although designed similar to a Hindu temple with features like a mandapa and shrine, historical inscriptions indicate that it functioned as a Buddhist monastery, possibly associated with Mahayana and Tantric Buddhist traditions. The temple reflects cultural influences from South Indian Dravidian architecture, likely linked to the Pallav period. Discovered as an archaeological site in the late 19th century, Nalanda Gedige was later dismantled and reconstructed in the 1980s to protect it from flooding caused by the Bowaton tank. Today it stands as an important historical monument showcasing a rare fusion of Sinhalese and South Indian architectural traditions. The Mandapa Hall contains rows of stone pillars influenced by Pallav architecture, and the temple tower rises about 9 meters high with decorative cornices, horseshoe-shaped niches, and a Vesra-style roof. A relief of the wealth god Kuber appears on the tower, reflecting both Hindu and Buddhist influences. Archaeological discoveries such as a Bodhisattva image likely Avlokiteshvara, a Ganesha statue, and a relic stone further show the coexistence of multiple religious traditions at the site. One of the most unusual features of Nalanda Gedige is a sculptural relief on its southern wall depicting a rare erotic scene, the only known ancient example in Sri Lanka. The carving portrays explicit sexual imagery involving 3 figures and is highly unusual for Sri Lankan Buddhist art, which is typically modest. While erotic motifs appear in some Indian temples such as Khajuraho temples and Konark Sun Temple, such imagery is extremely rare in Buddhist monuments. Scholars therefore associate this relief with Tantric Buddhist influences, suggesting that Nalanda Gedige may have been connected to esoteric forms of Buddhism practiced during that period. Originally discovered as an archaeological site in the late 19th century, the temple was dismantled and reconstructed in the 1980s to protect it from flooding caused by the Bowaton reservoir. Today, Nalanda Gedige stands as a unique historical monument representing a remarkable blend of Sinhalese, South Indian, Buddhist, Hindu, and Tantric cultural influences.